In your teens and 20s, it's all about experimentation and embracing trends. This is the time to make bold choices, express your individuality, and find out what works for you. As you venture into your 30s and 40s, your style should reflect a more refined and mature you. It's time to prioritize quality over quantity. Invest in pieces that are durable and versatile, playing around with textures and layers to add depth to your outfits. Once you hit your 50s and beyond, comfort becomes key. But remember, comfort does not mean compromising on style. This is the time to lean into classic, timeless pieces that speak volumes about your sophistication. Adapting trends to your age is an art. While neon might not be your go-to choice in your 50s, a hint of it in your accessories can give you a trendy edge. Remember, it's not about following the trend blindly, but incorporating it in a way that complements your personal style. Your personal style is a reflection of your life experiences and personal growth. Embrace the evolution and don't shy away from reinventing your style as you age. It's essential to challenge the stereotypes associated with age and fashion. Break free from societal expectations and remember that your style is an extension of your individuality. Building a versatile wardrobe that transcends age is a practical and timeless approach. Invest in pieces that are classic, durable, and offer multiple styling options. Fashion is about flexibility. There are no strict rules, only guidelines. Trust your instincts, have fun with fashion, and remember, style is a personal journey that can be enjoyed at any age. In conclusion, dressing for your age is about finding a balance between following trends, maintaining your personal style, and adapting to changes as you age. It's a journey of self-expression and personal growth. Remember, style has no age limit.